Okay, can you change your CAFCASS officer, and how do you do that? Something I get asked fairly often. Usually when people say that, it's because they don't like the recommendations that the CAFCASS officer has made. They might think the officer is biased or they're aggressive or something similar to that. It's a really simple process. Google that question and you're going to find a telephone number on the CAFCASS website. You could actually speak to the officer concerned and say, can I have someone else? And they will deal with it. Now, I would say, however, if it's because you don't like the recommendations or you think they're biased, you're probably not going to be very happy with what comes afterwards. People take it personally when CAFCASS officer write things. They will say typically, well, the CAFCASS officer just repeated my ex's lies as facts. If you're going for a court case, there will be an opportunity to cross-examine the CAFCASS officer if you go for a case where the final hearing is done by trial and not on submissions. On submissions just means you submit a statement, your ex submits a statement and the court deals with it that way. They might ask you a few questions. A trial, however, is where all the questions that need to be asked are asked, and everyone who's written a report has to be available for cross-examination. People often make the mistake of, when they do cross-examine, attacking the CAFCASS officer's personality. They'll say, you're biased, aren't you? Not a helpful question. The better question is to take apart why they've made the recommendations, to point out the contradictions, to persuade the court that what the CAFCASS officer has recommended is not best for your child. CAFCASS reports can be and are overturned. The secret is asking the right questions. So yes, you can change your CAFCASS officer probably. You might end up annoying them, however, if that doesn't happen, and you might just get a reputation of being awkward and you're just out for a fight. And as you've seen my previous TikTok, that's never a good look.